So in this video, we're continuing our series on the SAMR model using TeacherMade as our example. And in the last couple of videos, we talked about substitution, and that is the basic principle of changing an analog worksheet or assignment into a digital format, something they can do digitally. That is the basis of substitution. Now we're going to begin talking about augmentation. How can we augment or add functions and features that weren't possible before using technology? So I'm going to show you a great example today using a worksheet example in TeacherMade. So this one is all on punctuation, and I started from the Create Worksheet section in TeacherMade because I wanted to show you this great feature that was just added recently. You can now select which folder to stick your assignment in immediately while creating the worksheet. So I love that. Now I'm going to add my PDF here for my worksheet, and I'm ready to go. So here I have a basic punctuation worksheet that I might use with my third grade class. And you'll notice that in an analog setting, they would simply write which one would be for each sentence, a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. And I need to change this to digital. So I'm going to do that substitution piece, but I'm going to use some extra features or functions that are possible due to technology to make this even more powerful. So first, I'm going to make it a drop-down box so they can simply select which one they want to select for each sentence. And by doing that, this paper is going to auto-grade itself. Here we're augmenting what a normal piece of paper can do by not only giving them a quick selection for each one where they don't have to write it, they can do it digitally, but we're also allowing this to auto-grade itself so that when they are done with it, I already have a graded sheet and I can immediately see how my students did. Great way for quick assessment. So to do that, I'm going to select drop-down. I'm going to put just a little box here, and I'm going to edit to put my choices. So exclamation point, period, and question mark. And I need to select which one is going to be the correct answer, so it will auto-grade. And I can choose how many points I want each one to be worth. I'm going to save my changes. Now I'm going to do this for each one, and then I am done. I'm ready to give this to my students. And when they are finished with the work, it's auto-graded for me, and I have a quick, easy assessment to see how my students are doing. Now, to add these to each one, I'm just going to do Control-D to duplicate, and I can quickly edit each one of these. So I love ice cream is an exclamation point, and I'll do that for each one. So now I have my choices for each one of them, and when my students go in to complete this, they simply select which one they want, and they are done, and I get an auto-graded assessment back. Great way to augment your analog work for your students.